Hello audience, welcome to new another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 2 on mobile. Fixed it. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. At first, your phone settings. Now scroll down. Now click apps. Now search Roblox. Now scroll down. Now click storage. Now clear cache and clear data. Now click permissions. Allow all permission. Now go back. Now click open your Play Store. Now search and check Roblox update. My Roblox apps already updated. Now go back. Now open Roblox. Open Roblox apps. Your game play. By doing process, you can successfully your problem solve. Thank you for my watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel.